Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Google Workspace to a new account admin role, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to your Google Workspace admin console with your current admin account. Navigate to the admin roles section in the menu. Locate and select the role you wish to transfer. Click on the Assign Roles option. Enter the email address of the new admin account in the designated field. Ensure the new account has been activated and is accessible. Review the permissions associated with the new admin role. Confirm that all necessary permissions are properly assigned. Once confirmed, click the Save button to apply the changes. The new admin will now receive an email notification about their new role. Inform the new admin to sign into their account and check for their elevated permissions. Next, check that the new admin can access all necessary features in the admin console. If you encounter issues, verify that the new admin is not restricted by any organizational unit settings. Additionally, consider adjusting any custom privileges as needed for the new role. To finalize the transfer, review the original admin account's permissions. If required, remove any unnecessary roles from the original admin account. Once the transfer is complete, monitor activity logs for any unusual behavior. This ensures a smooth transition and maintains security within your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.